Black and White Network, we got some breaking news last night, and it was actually a leak opinion from the Supreme Court, namely Justice Alito. It looks like the Supreme Court is actually going to overturn Roe versus Wade. And folks, I completely agree with this. To me, guys, abortion is wrong. Willingly terminating the life of a child is wrong. But what does the leftists say? The leftists want to call it healthcare. Is it really healthcare, folks? So these leftists out there, let's say, for example, I'm a woman, which I'm not, by the way, and I get pregnant and I decide, I don't want this baby. Why? Because I just don't want a baby. And we know that the vast majority of these abortions that actually happen are because the women just don't want the baby. So there's no legitimate reason to actually have an abortion. Their life isn't in danger. The baby's life isn't in danger. But then they decide to actually murder the baby in the womb. This is wrong, folks. This is absolutely wrong. But now, leaked documents actually show that Roe versus Wade is going away. Now, I have my speculation on why this is actually leaked because the Supreme Court has not actually released a ruling. I believe that somebody on the left leaked this because they want outrage. They want the conservative justices to bend the knee to them, but I don't believe it's going to happen, to tell you the truth. So check this out. Supreme Court has drafted opinion to overturn Roe versus Wade, according to reports. The Supreme Court has written an opinion that would overturn Roe versus Wade, the landmark decision that provides women with a constitutionally protected right to an abortion, a report said. Now, I don't know how this actually happened. We know 1973 it happened. What constitutional right is there to killing babies? This is wrong, folks. Now, guys, even when the official decision comes down, it's not going to eliminate abortions in the United States. It's going to go strictly to the states because of states' rights. Now, here in Texas, we already have an abortion, not necessarily an abortion ban. I want to be clear about that. That you cannot get an abortion after 6 weeks of pregnancy. And if you do, anybody can sue the person that conducted the abortion. Now, guys, I'm pretty sure that when it comes to the People's Republic of California, New York, they're going to have abortions outright. And you know what? Some of these states may even have abortions even up until birth. That's really scary, folks. So they're killing an actual baby that was born. I believe that would probably happen. I do. And it'll probably happen in some crazy leftist state like California or New York. Now, they always say, the people on the left, that they are pro-choice. Well, I'm pro-life because guess what? It's not your life that you're terminating. You're terminating another life in your body. So that's why I never believe it's my body, because your body is not being harmed. The body of an unborn baby is being harmed. That is wrong. And you people out there, so-called Christians that vote for Democrats, you're voting for abortion. Joe Biden, the fake Catholic, believes in abortion. But you guys apparently gave him 81 million votes. Think about that. But check this out. Quote, Roe was egregiously wrong from the start, Alito writes in the 98-page draft opinion obtained by the outlet. The opinion rejects the 1973 decision that guaranteed constitutional protections for abortion rights, as well as the subsequent Planned Parenthood versus Casey decision in 1992. Now, Planned Parenthood, who actually started Planned Parenthood? That would be Margaret Sanger, who hated black people. She was a racist. And where are the vast majority of Planned Parenthood locations? It's roughly around black neighborhoods, roughly like 60%. And she did that because she didn't want black babies to be born. You black people need to wake up and do your homework. Quote, we hold that Roe and Casey must be overruled, he writes in a document labeled as the quote opinion of the court. It is time to heed the Constitution and return the issue of abortion to the people's elected representatives, in other words, the states. Now, when it comes to the Supreme Court, we know it's a 6-3 conservative majority, but the thing is that Chief Justice John Roberts seems to like to vote with the liberals a lot. So we don't know exactly how he's going to vote, but there's kind of a little bit of insight here as to the way that John Roberts is actually going to vote. He actually may dissent with the liberals or write his own dissent. So even John Roberts doesn't seem like he's going to vote with the rest of the conservatives. Now, John Roberts, he's a Bush appointee, but also Alito as well. I never trust John Roberts. I don't. But guys, what do you think of this? What do you guys think of Roe versus Wade being overturned? We're going to get an official word later on this spring. This was leaked for a reason, because the leftists out there want the activists out there in the streets want them probably protesting at the Supreme Court to get violent, because to them, you have every constitutional right to kill a baby. This is wrong. Absolutely wrong. That's just my thoughts on this. What do you guys think of this? Black and White Network fans, let us know what you think about all this in the comments. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you next time.